Lasagna preparation requires a variety of key ingredients. Essential dry ingredients include lasagna noodles and Italian seasoning. Cheese components consist of ricotta, mozzarella, and Parmesan. Binding agents and flavor enhancers are provided by an egg, salt, and pepper. The main filling can be either cooked ground beef or spinach, complemented by marinara sauce and fresh basil. Begin by filling a pot with water and bringing it to a rolling boil. Add the lasagna noodles to the boiling water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Cook the noodles until they reach an al dente texture, which is firm to the bite. Drain the cooked noodles and lay them flat on a clean surface to prevent sticking. Begin by gathering the necessary ingredients for the filling in a mixing bowl. Combine ricotta cheese, mozzarella cheese, and Parmesan cheese in the bowl. Add an egg, Italian seasoning, salt, and pepper to the cheese mixture. Thoroughly mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. Incorporate cooked ground beef or spinach, folding it evenly into the cheese mixture. The initial step involves preparing the lasagna noodles and cheese filling. Spread a uniform layer of the cheese mixture across the surface of each lasagna noodle. Carefully roll each noodle, encasing the filling to create a compact roll. A baking dish is prepared with a thin coating of marinara sauce on the bottom. The assembled lasagna rolls are then arranged neatly in the prepared baking dish. Cover the prepared lasagna rolls with the remaining marinara sauce. Sprinkle a generous amount of mozzarella cheese over the sauce-covered rolls. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 25-30 minutes. The lasagna is ready when the cheese is fully melted and bubbly. Garnish with fresh basil.